This video teaches you how to install the control software for the FocusInc single pass printer. Once you get the printer, you will get a USB flash inside at the FocusInc support folder. Inside have control software, installation video, user manual, and test print file. If you're the first time to install the software, you need to install this exe format file. And user manual here inside have the guidance to support you how to install print head cable, inflow, and single head cable connection. Here is for all heads installation map. So if you print its DTF version, at the left, the 10 pieces of print head all are installed with color ink. At the right, all installed with white ink. The first print head connects to the first board left port, and the second print head installed to the first board right port. Please connect all the head cable with this map. And here, please keep these two screw holes at front during installation. Here have two screw holes, and at the back side only have one screw hole. So once you install printing head, you must keep these two screw holes at front. So we see here, we can see more clearly. This is one printing head. At front have two screw holes. At the back side only have one screw hole. So once we install print head, we must be sure these two screw hole at front. And when we go to the left side, here we can see the left up, left down cable port. And right side we have right up, right down port. But please pay attention to this control board. At the left top is left up, and the left down is left down, but at the right side, at the down side is right up, and at the right top is right down. So these two is different. Left up, left down, right up is different. And this 4 port is for connected to the number 2 print head. So this is the installation map for DTF version single pass printer. And also you can see the inflow map. This is for connect each ink tube from the print head to the sub ink tank. At the left is KCYM, at the right is wet 4R with wet. And ink tuber connect with each print head channel to the ink tank, sub ink tank. And please here pay attention to that the ink tuber of each print head color channel is individually connected to each color sub ink tank. That means each print head, for example, this first print head, the black ink tuber is connected to this port, and number 2 print head, black, is another separate ink tuber connected to the color, the white and the black ink tank. Not only one here, just for sure, but not only one tuber. That just remember, each tuber are separate, connected to print head for each color. And also for here the print head here, the line only show the direction. Normally, it's 4 pieces print head per each 4 pieces print head cable per each print head. This is just for short direction for the connection direction. So here we can see more clearly that one headboard have 2 head ports. Each head have 4 head ports. So here's first print head and second print head. Left up, left down. The right side is right up, right down. So please remember, pay attention to that. The right side, right up is a down position, but not at the up position. It's different. Please install the print head and connect the ink tuber by this map carefully, especially for the print head cable. Cannot be installed wrong. If the right up and right down mix opposite or left up, left down opposite, it will short the print head and short the board. So this is very important. Once you know all information and also you learned the tutorial video already, we can start to install the control software. We open the control software, and if you're the first time to install the printer, you need to install this exe format first. We choose English and click Next, and we choose the folder and Next. Then finish. Once you finish installation, you will find an icon named the single pass DTF control system. Open it. Then here you can see this is the interface. Here is for open the folder. Choose the file for print. The file must be TIFF or JPEG format. This folder to open the folder to load the picture for print. This print icon, this stop, pause, stop, and flash. This flash is for clean the print head. Once print head get a little bit clogged, we can use a flash to flush the ink out. Calibrate is for do some calibration. For the first time you install the print head, have lots of calibrate. So the first encode calibrate just keep as default, no change. Head space, we need little adjustment. Later we'll teach you how to do the calibration for the y-axis calibrate. And this for color offset, the calibration between each print head. And this head overlap for connect with each print head without gap. The UV lamp is not used for DTF. If you mention UV, just keep as default. Every time after you change number, we need to click Set and then click Save. Advanced set, just keep as default, or just keep as default. You just need to change the flash frequency for frequency. Here you have explanation. Normally, if you just every day before print, you just use 4 frequency and flash for 2 times. If the print head get heavy clock, we can use 12 frequency and flash 2 times. Voltage is for sure the current print head installation is normal or get 40. Each board support 2 print head. So from here, if 0 temperature means not connect wire. This right now will not connect printer. And here the test is for do some calibration test the print head schedule to check the nozzle good or not, and overlap for the calibration and cover adjust also. Later we'll teach you how to do the calibration step by step. And from the top, we can see the X margin is for the gap between the X axis. The Y margin is for, if you print with DTF low to low, the Y margin means the gap between each print head. The gap between each image, each picture. If we put 0, it will be each picture connect with together at the y-axis. And a Chigo model here we use auto Chigo. Low to low we use auto Chigo. If you print by pieces material, we use Chigo sign. And the print model we choose order. Here we can choose, we can put how many pieces we want to print and click set. And at the left bottom we can see the message for self-testing. Because right now it's disconnect, so here is show no connection. And from here we can see the alarm, the error history. From the top we can see the number for a board, but here must be connect with the printer. Then can be read. Install setting, no need to change. And here also just change. Just the last one, the language we use English. So this is the explanation for control software. And once you want to RIP, we need to go to advanced set and RIP set. From here the RIP set, we can see here the ICC profile to match with different resolution. And also we can need to adjust the thickness for each ICC profile. And here is ink, we choose CMYK, and here the halftone we choose 2-bit and middle and the large dot. Here is good for better for DTF print and UV print. So normally we choose 2-bit ML, 2-bit middle large dot selection. And DPI is print resolution. It's according to your print resolution. Here we can also add the resolution maximum. Maximum is 600 times 2200. This is the maximum resolution. And please remember, the halftone and DPI must match with the ICC profile you choose. For example, we choose the FocusInc large dot 600 times 2200 DPI. We choose this ICC profile for print. Then we must choose halftoning 2-bit ML large selection. And DPI we must choose 600 times 2200. We must choose like this. Angle we can choose the selection for the picture. And the width we choose spot. Thickness you can adjust or you'll be close. And here is for bleeding, for keep will be cut edge by 0.50% to prevent the white ink overlap. We can choose click on or click off. Normally we choose click on, and we set the size according to your print size. And here we choose custom size. You can put the size you want print. The width is according to how many print heads you install. If 10 print heads, the maximum size is 32 centimeter. We choose here by equal scale. Then we click OK. And here you can choose mineral by vertical or mineral by horizontal. So here is all the explanation for the control system for Focus Acaleph.